guys, I am cleaning a bathroom and I was thinking about how this particular tub, because over time there was a leak and there was buildup on the tub, and so it takes some extra cleaner, some extra things to make it in order to get it clean. And how in our lives it's the same thing. If we let things go and go and go and get worse and worse and worse over time, you can't just get back to the way it was before in just a day or two. It takes time. It takes time to get there. It takes time to get past that as well. And I also wanted to show you in cleaning, I've got all these great magic cleaners, and I'll show you. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. I have already spent quite a bit of time on this tub, and you can see the buildup here. But when I put the special cleaners, it bubbles up, and it's gonna burn it off, really. And so it's not something that, it's not always something that's easy. It's not always something that's comfortable, something that doesn't hurt to make things better. Sometimes you have to put some elbow grease into it. Sometimes you have to work harder. Sometimes you have to reach out and get help from someone else. Because you can't do it by yourself. You can't do it the way that you've always done it before. So I just thought I would share that with y'all while I was doing this. Let me swap back around here. And if you would like some tips on how to get back to the way you used to be, some tips to help you to get better, and if you would like some tips on cleaning things that you need that would make something, a normal job that a regular cleaner would clean, if it won't get it clean, I have all kinds of magic cleaners to give you that extra boost. So send me a message if you would like either one of those, and I will see you again tomorrow.